My wife Miriam says store bread is not bread. It's cake that doesn't mold. The one from the store has 37 ingredients. I counted. This one from my field has 3. Flour, water, salt. And it keeps a man working all day. I'm going to show you how we make it. No mixer. No instant yeast. The way my mother taught me. Welcome to the Lapp Farm Journal. Today is bread day. Every Thursday is bread day here. What you see here is turkey red wheat. My grandfather brought this seed from Kansas in 1948. It's not like modern wheat. It's taller, less yield, but it doesn't need chemicals and it doesn't make your stomach hurt like the other stuff. We grow 5 acres of it just for us and a few neighbors. People ask, where's your yeast? We don't buy yeast. This is our starter. We call it Mother. Miriam started this one 11 years ago, just flour and water left on the counter. Wild yeast from the air moves in. It lives in our fridge. Every week we feed it a little flour, a little water. It's like an animal. If you don't have a starter, I will put Miriam's simple way to start one in the description. Takes 7 days, flour and water, nothing else. When she is bubbly, she is ready. Means she's hungry. We don't own a mixer, we own hands. Recipe I don't really measure, but for you I will put it on screen. Mix with your hand, not a spoon. Your hand knows when it's right. It will be shaggy and sticky. That's good. Modern bread wants you to add flour. Don't. Now we wait. Cover with a damp cloth. 30 minutes. Let the flour drink the water. We call this autolyse, but my mother just called it. Let it rest. Most recipes tell you to need 10 minutes. We don't. We stretch and fold. Much easier on your old back. Every 30 minutes for 2 hours you go like this. Pull up. Fold over. Turn ball. Pull up. Fold over. 4 times. That's it. Turkey red has less gluten than store flour. If you beat it like modern bread, you break it. Gentle hands. After 2 hours, it will be smooth. It will hold air. See those bubbles? That's life. Flour your table. Turn it out. Don't punch it. We worked hard for those bubbles. Shape it gentle. Tuck under. Make a little round loaf. A boule, they call it. Put it in the basket. We use a banneton, but a bowl with a tea towel and flour. Works same. Now, and this is important, put it in the cold cellar or your fridge overnight. 12 hours. We bake it in the morning. Oven hot 450 degrees. We put our Dutch oven inside while it preheats. That pot needs to be screaming hot. Take your cold dough, score the top with a sharp knife. 1 cut. It lets the steam out. I do a simple cross for thanks. Put it in the hot pot with lid on. 20 minutes with lid, 25 minutes without lid. The lid traps steam. That's what gives you that crust. When you tap the bottom and it sounds hollow, it's done. Now the hardest part, wait 1 hour before cutting. If you cut hot bread, it goes gummy. 3 ingredients from our farm. 14 hours of waiting, but only maybe 20 minutes of real work. This is what bread should be. Chewy crust, soft inside, a little tang. It will keep 5 days on the counter. No plastic bag needed. If you make this, let us know in the comments. Miriam loves to read them. Recipe and how to start your own starter is down below. Thank you for breaking bread with us. Plain work, plain living. Good day.